Good evening, fellow teachers, parents, tutors, and FB friends. Sa gabing ito ay magtuturo ako sa inyo ng E-Esclaverias techniques for pupils who cannot memorize the basic facts. Now, this time, they don't need to count their fingers anymore and no need to memorize the basic facts because we will use only techniques. This is known as E-Esclaverias techniques for pupils who cannot memorize the basic facts. From 48 up to 81, these dividends can be divided by big numbers using their permanent equivalent counts. How will you know the equivalent counts of each numeral? We have 9. The equivalent count is 1 because it has only one edge. 8, the equivalent count is 2. 1, 2. Then 7, the equivalent count is 1, 2, 3. 3 counts. 7 has 3 counts. And then 6, the equivalent count is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the big numbers, and big numbers have their equivalent counts. Ulitin ko, 9 is 1. The equivalent count of 8 is 2. The equivalent count of 7 is 3. 1, 2, 3. And the youngest numeral is 6, which has 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you can divide the dividend by its equivalent count without counting the fingers, without memorizing. Example, I will make it bigger. Let's start from 48. 48 divided by 6. Read the tens and then go upward to the equivalent count of 6. Read 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will repeat. Read the tens and then go upward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Next, we have 48 divided by 8. Read the tens and then go upward to its equivalent count. 4, 5, 6. I will repeat. 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. Next, we have 49 divided by, read the tens, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. Next, we have 54. 54 divided by 9. Read first the tens. 5, 6. 5, 6. The answer is 6. Next, we have 54 divided by 6. Read the tens. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Repeat. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 54 divided by 6 is 9. Next, we have 56 divided by 7. Read the tens. 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. 56 divided by 7 is 8. Next, we will reverse. Read the tens. 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. 56 divided by 8 is 7. Next, we have 63. 63 divided by 9. 6, 7. The answer is 7. 6, 7. The answer is 7. 63 divided by 9 is 7. Next, we have 64 divided by 8. 6, 7, 8. 64 divided by 8 is 8. Next, we have 72. 72 divided by 8 is 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. Repeat, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. 72 divided by 8 is 9. We have 72 divided by 9. Reverse. 7, 8. 7, 8. The answer is 8. 72 divided by 9 is 8. The last one is 81. 81 divided by 9. With the tens, 8, 9. 8, 9. The answer is 9. 81 divided by 9 is 9. Right. That's all for tonight. Sana natuto kayo. You've learned much. Alright. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Good night.